Okay, so we just got to the property for the weekend, and it is raining. So it's nice that we have a roof this time, because when we first started building was in May and there was rain. The house was absolutely it was just puddles everywhere. So this is a treat, but it's also nice because we're able to really kind of check the roof and check the deck out and just double check, make sure nothing's leaking. But everything looks great and good. And
alrighty, good morning, guys. We're back at it today. Got the roof all done now, so we're gonna start closing it off our gable ends. You kind of see it up behind us. We did one last week. We're gonna do one today. And then after that's all done, we're gonna put some windows in and start siding. So we're slowly moving along.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate.
So this is Joe's current setup. He is ladder walking. It's my job to rotate this one in between all of these as he's walking across them. And we're being efficient.
Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there'd be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Nothing's as it seems in the photo. Nothing is as sweet going solo. Nowhere I can ramble or roam change my mind, could slow my coming home.
You stop scaring her. Oh, what? Huh? What?
No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Coming home.
on day 2 of closing in this side. Both days we've had to do errands in the morning, picking up tools, equipment, product. This morning picked up a fire stove. So we're getting a bit of a late start, but we should be able to get this done. Get the window in. Hoping to get other windows in. So we'll see, but we'll see. Captain.
What's up?
It's an alpha captain.
I put the rain guard on the house. Green side up, I guess. Just gotta figure it out because I gotta run it up the ladder and wrap around the top of the window.
Oh, that'll be fun.
You wanna do it? I'll watch you.
No, thank you.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
So this is what we're doing now. Is our little pop out in our bedroom. We're gonna, we want to turn around and shoot up there. I like pointing and talking up, till, right there. We're gonna fill in this gap all the way across. Oh, wrong way. That way. And then sheet the outside, and then it will be 100% enclosed in the house. And then we can start doing windows, siding.
Woo. Yeah. I'll be back. You can get down. Sit there, wait. He's back.
Hey, Jen.
Yeah.
Grab the ladder right here. Pick this up and I'll help you out.
Okie dokies, I'm coming. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and liking. Stay tuned. Upcoming, we have cement going in all the windows, and we decided to turn our shop garage that we added on into a tiny home. Yep, that is happening. We're shifting gears, making a tiny home within the small home, so where we could stay while we're building in the big house.